right, traders, another profitable day as we continue to nail the trend. All right, folks, this market is a day trader's dream. Let's get into it. Today is Tuesday, September 26th. It was an amazing day to trade the market. My name is Mark at Dyno Trading. Welcome to the channel. And there is only one technique and trading method that I focus on. All right, and that is the trend. I don't focus on trying to catch tops and bottoms. I don't focus on garbage indicators like Bollinger Bands and stochastics, right? I only want to respect price action and volume. Those are my two metrics. And what you're seeing on the chart is today's live price action chart of the NASDAQ. You guys already know this is the #1 most volatile symbol in the world right now. This thing is averaging about 1,000 ticks or pips every single day, folks. Just think about that. 1,000 ticks and pips if you trade Forex every day. And yes, you can trade the NASDAQ on all asset classes. Forex, futures, stocks, and options. This thing is widely available, and traders all over the world are making a fortune trading the NASDAQ, okay? And yep, you guessed it, what you're seeing overlaid on top of the chart, all right, this green and red color band, is our proprietary volume indicator. All right, this indicator is simply superb, okay, at nailing the direction of the trend. And if you know anything about a winning formula in the trading game, then you already know that you must get the direction right. Okay, there's no two ways about it. Because when you get the direction right, then you have done 90% of the heavy lifting. And from that point on, it's simply a matter of trying to look for high probability and low risk setups to enter your trade. Case in point, guys and gals, I want to walk you through actually two setups today. All right, this was a beautiful setup here at 8:40 a.m. in the morning. We got a perfect sell signal, but I also want to draw your attention to a theory that I came up with last week, which is something called banging the close. All right, and this is a really interesting theory that I've noticed take place in the last 90 minutes of trading, but don't worry, we'll come back to this setup in just a few moments. All right, for now, I want to draw your attention to a really nice profitable trade that all of our members caught today on something that I lovingly call the perfect setup. Okay, so let me take you through the anatomy of a profitable trade, folks. It's not as complicated as people will have you to believe. All right, if you ask me, when you understand how to trade volume and how to trade price action, okay, then you will be able to start picking off beautiful setups like this. All right, so step one, guys, you know, right? Step one is we got to wait for the trend to be established. You understand? When this indicator, which represents volume, turns from green into red, as it did right here at this exact moment in time, it tells you that the trend has changed. Okay? And that there's a better chance than not that the market is now going to switch into a downtrend. But you need confirmation, right? You need the market to do exactly this, which is quickly start selling off. But that is not where we sell this market. You guys know how we play this, right? Every one of my members knew that there was a very good chance the market was going to retrace this morning. And it did. Look at this. Perfect retracement. The market sells off, retrace, and kaboom! We get a crystal clear retracement setup. All right, folks. This is too easy, man. And you know what the best part about this is? We caught this print super early, right? And this right here is the anatomy of a winning trade. You would look to potentially open a short trade on the open of the next bar. Your stop loss gets placed 1 or 2 ticks or pips, if you follow along in Forex, okay, above this signal bar's high. And when I say signal bar, folks, I'm talking about the color match, all right? The red bar that closes against the red color band, and the bar's high is above the band. Makes sense? And look, man, there's a lot of ways you can take profit. All right, if you're like me, you like to quickly get to break even, which is 1-to-1. Why 1-to-1? Because the spacing here represents the risk on the trade, right? If the spacing here is, let's say, 30 or 40 ticks, then you want to bail on half of your position at 30 or 40 ticks. Why? Because then you've locked in profits and you cannot lose on the trade. You understand? Guys, it's a simple mathematical formula based on risk reward. All right, so here's 1 to 1. If you don't like 1 to 1, then here's 1 to 2, right? Here's 1 to 4. Here's 1 to 5. Okay, what I love about the NASDAQ is because it's so volatile, you get really good opportunities to make a lot of ticks. Okay, because this was a shocking 400 tick plunge from the time the trade printed until the session low. All right, and we got in all the way back here. But this wasn't the only trade of the day. Let me take you to the close, right? We talked about this. Look at how this volume indicator nailed the sell-off at the close today, right? Now, we didn't get too much of a retracement anywhere across the board, and that's why the theory that I've come up with, and only at the close, all right, this theory that I talk about called banging the close, it's one of those setups where you probably will not get a retracement, because when people try to bang the close, it's really an indication of panic selling, right? So don't expect the market to give you any secondary or third opportunities outside of the color change, okay? And full disclosure, I do think that trading the color change is a little bit more riskier as opposed to waiting for the retracement, right? Because when you wait for the retracement, guys and gals, I really think you put the odds in your favor and you stand a far better chance of catching one of these crazy moves. I mean, 400, 500 ticks. Jesus Christ, man. When's the last time you've ever caught 500 ticks in a matter of like 30 minutes, right? So listen, congrats to all of my people who were brand new to the system. You could not have asked for a better month to get started. All you guys and gals that got involved recently, I'm so thrilled that you're having fun with this system and that you're finally able to trade a common sense, logical, rule-based system. Okay, I warned you 3 weeks ago that the month of September was going to be epic, and boy did this volume indicator absolutely crush it. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.